Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Charles FS right here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how I plot my key levels. As regarding the question that have been asked in my comment box, in the video I did about the review on Dr. Willis' strategy, the Forex Mastery Program, some guys have been asking how I plot my key zones. Anyway, in plotting my key zones, which is very simple, but before we go in, I want to make a quick disclaimer that whatever I'm going to be saying here is of my own opinion and it is not a financial advice. So let's just go right in. So in plotting my key zones, what I look forward to is taking the most obvious zone first of all. So I don't try to complicate things by trying to plot zones everywhere. I just take out the most obvious zones, and if the current time frame where you want to plot the key zones is not clear for you, you can just go a time frame higher than that time frame that you are in. If for example you want to plot on the daily and the daily looks all mixed up, what you can do is just go higher to the weekly time frame, let it compress the price chart for you so you can see clearly the obvious zones that the market has been turning from. As you can see, the market has been turning from these zones here and also did a massive turn from this zone here. So but what I like doing mainly is I like plotting my zone on the monthly time frame. I start plotting my zone from the monthly time frame. So we're going to go higher to the monthly time frame, and so now we can see that the monthly time frame just comprises the whole price chart for us and let us see clearly the most obvious zones. So after plotting it on the monthly time frame, we're going to go down to the weekly time frame to adjust it, and to the daily time frame to plot our minor level where we currently are trading now. So yes, in plotting our key levels, we can see that this is the obvious high and this is the obvious low that we can see. So we're just going to plot them out first of all. So this is the obvious low, this is the obvious high. Of course, it's going to take a long time for market to come here. This is just for purpose of education that I'm plotting in this overall high. But this down one, I'm going to keep it because if the market is not so far away from it anyway. So guys, after that, then we're going to be looking for obvious zones within the price chart. Let's see. Now, like I said, this is an obvious zone for me. The market rejected from here, 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 also rejected from here also. So guys, this is an obvious zone for me. Then another key zone I'm seeing is this. Market rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and did some rejection here. So basically also another key zone I'm seeing is this zone here. The market rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and also rejected from here. So guys, this is the obvious zone that I'm seeing right now. So on the monthly time frame, so we're going to go down to the weekly time frame right now to do the adjustments, just to adjust it to fit in very well to the price chart. So this looks cool. So just get a touch of this wick on this rejected zone. So it fits in perfectly. The retest here is okay with this and this retest and also this rejection from there. So guys, this zone is okay to me now. So let's go to the next zone. Okay, this next zone, market rejected from here, rejected from here, rejected from here. Let's just adjust this upward a little. Okay, I think it's okay, perfect now. I used to do this all the time. I used to just set up chart and just practice how to set up my key zones. You learn a lot from that. If after I don't trade them, I just, for the purpose of practice, what I do is I just put as many pairs out there. I put it and I just start plotting the zones. Some of them are very tricky, some of them are very easy. But for me, the ones that I've seen that are very easy are the USD pairs. So guys, let's just finish adjusting this. Okay, I think I'm going to adjust this downward a little so you can just fit perfectly. to this zone here, this rejection here, and also this rejection, this retest here. Okay, the market just came shy of the zone. Okay, and also now I think this look okay, very much okay for me now. So guys, now after plotting the key zones, what you now need to do is to go down to the daily to plot your minor zone. So for me, this is the minor zone that I can see right now, and also where the market is currently testing from. If you go back in time, this is the zone where the market is currently testing from. Let me see if we can get another price chart to get this zone. Okay, so the market also rejected from here, so this is a good minor zone, so I'm just going to leave it. So the reason I'm using an horizontal line here is so that my chart does not get crowded, but I know that as at this zone, there's a minor zone here in the market. So guys, this is it on EUDUSD. Let's just go to another pair and just plot the key zone also. We're going to go, like I said, to the monthly time frame and see the obvious zones for ourselves. Okay, so after plotting the high and the low, like I said, now we want to fit in the other key zones that are in between the price chart. In plotting your key zone, aside taking the overall high and the overall low as the only single turning point, in plotting the zones that are in between the price chart, you don't want to take, what you need is at least 2 market rejection from that zone, that area that you want to plot your zone. That's when you get a very good zone. So at least this one is very, very obvious. You got this one here, we got this one here, we got this one here, we got this one here. We also got this rejection here, we got this retest here. So to me, this is a very good zone. Then also another one I can see. Another one I can see is this. So the market rejected from here, and also rejected from here. So to me, this is very much okay. And also this. So this is it on the monthly time frame. So we're going to go down. Sometimes when you go down to the weekly time frame, you can see some obvious one that you missed on the daily, on the monthly time frame anyway. So far, let's just do some adjustments. I think it's very much okay. When using the rectangle tool, you don't have to make it very big when you are plotting from the monthly, or if you choose to start plotting from the weekly, you don't have to make it very big. So when you go down to your 4 hours or 2 hours or 1 hour to trade, it will not be covering the price chart. So I think there's an obvious zone here that I missed before. Market rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, broke through, retest and continued down, rejected here, retested here, and also as you can see, guys. Okay, I think there's also another one. Okay, the market rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here. So this is obviously a good zone. So I'm just going to remove the ones that we don't need it now, because I'm going to be keeping this zone. I'm not going to be removing them. Okay, so that's it. What I'll now do is to go down to the weekly daily time frame to plot our minor zone. Okay, so this is it. This is plotting the minor zone. Now we know that if the market comes to break above this minor zone, most likely this is the region we are expecting to now get to. So if the market break above here, this is the region. And also if this market break below, the next level we are looking forward to is this level right here. So that's it on EURUSD. So I think for the last one, let's just take gold. Let's plot the key levels on gold. let me get rid of this. So guys, to get the overall picture of what the market is doing, the overall trend of the market, that's why it's also good to go to the monthly time frame, so you get the overall picture of what the market is doing. So guys, like I said, we plot the most obvious zone first. Not leaving out this zone. I just want a touch from here, here, and here, but I just leave it like this first of all. So before now start plotting the zones that are in between, I think that's a very good zone. Yeah, I think for me that's also a good zone. And one more zone which will be this, sorry. One more zone which will be this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go down to the weekly to adjust it. This adjust. Okay guys, I think that one is very much okay right there. And also this, I adjust this to the current price that I'm seeing. Look at this rejection here. This rejection. See the market rejecting here, rejecting here. And also you see the rejection here, and also this breakthrough, but it came back to reject, and also this other rejection that I right here. So for me, that's a very good zone. And we see this rejection here, and also this rejection here, and okay, this rejection here, and also this. So for me, these zones, they are okay, and they are, for me, they are okay, and they are zones that I can trade with. So we're going to go down to the daily time frame to plot our minor zone. Okay. Okay, so this is it on plotting the zone. Now, what we can see is a market that is below this minor zone. The market is pushing up very strongly. The market can reject from this zone or reject from this zone and continue down. Overall, the market is still very much on the down trend. So this is it on plotting the zones. So we can see that the market is rejecting from this low that it created before. So just to indicate it, so I will know that there's a key level, there's a minor level at that zone here. What I'll do, I'll just put up a line there. So this is it, guys. This is how you plot your zones. You make it simple. It does not have to be very complicated. And mind you, if the correct zone that you want to plot your zone is not clear, you can simply go to a higher time frame. So guys, this is it on how to plot your key levels. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so you help the channel grow, and leave me a like so that other people can find the video too. So guys, thank you very much, and see you in the next video.